Hello everyone, thank you for tuning into my channel. I want to show you how to repair a faulty electric kettle which is not heating. This is the electric kettle, and now we have already opened. Now this is how you do about it. This is how we go about it. You start by measuring if the switch is functioning. Then you use this one. This is a multimeter. Yes, it looks like that. It's a multimeter, and you set the multimeter to where the cutoff is. So sorry, where you switch to where the diode is. So you measure the switch, and if the switch is open, is functioning, then you go to another step. You measure whether the element is okay. Yes, the element is okay, but the jack is not eating. So now you get to go to the next step. You measure if the switch, this is the switch, it is off, it is on, it is off, it is on. So if you have reached that step and yet it is not making any progress, then you see this thing here, this thing, it is called the base. This one, it's called the base. So you need to change the whole thing for it to start working properly. This is our jack. It's the lid. This is inside where we put our water. Yes. So after knowing the problem, now you have to replace this one. You need to replace this one. So you start by taking it off, then you replace with another one. Yes. So I'm now replacing another one, and you replace it like this. Then you start by putting it properly. So after fixing it now, we are fixing another one. And it is raining. It's raining, by the way. It's raining. So we have to do a good job because it is raining, and a rain is a blessing. So after that it looks like this. Yes, this is the light. That is the light. And now you have to fix the rear lid. It fits like this. Take this one, you fix it here. properly. Yes, like that. Yes, we will fix it like that. Then you replace, you take the screws, fix them. You are fixing the screws. And then fixing all the 3 screws. Now I want to test if it is working. But before you put it to the mains, you put inside water. You put inside water. Fix the plant like that. Then you put it to the main after putting inside water. Yes. Let us now try to test if it is working.